Namaste, Che Yogis. I'm Claire from LB Che Yoga Australia, and I run classes in and around Sydney for Che Yoga, and I'm also the teacher trainer for you guys down under in the Southern Hemisphere for LB Che Yoga. I just wanted to share a little bit about myself and my classes with you today. I've been in the fitness industry for about 20 years now, and during that time, I've experienced a lot of different people. Um, People with different levels of flexibility, ability, mobility, different ages, and just people from all walks of life, really. And through those experiences, I've come to a place where I really want to create an experience for my students where they will never ever leave my class feeling not good enough. I know for myself as well as a participant in classes that there's been times where I've had physical challenges in my body, some pretty bad injuries, or maybe just a mental block or whatever it is. And I've walked out of classes feeling like I'm not good enough, that I was sitting there doing nothing because I couldn't do whatever it was the instructor was trying to tell me to do. And that I really walked out feeling worse about myself than when I walked in. So I am on a mission to reverse that, and I am super, super, super passionate about creating classes where people feel empowered, where they feel they can really embrace wherever they are on their journey, knowing that every single person in the class has come from a different place, it's had different challenges, triumphs, experiences that's brought them there today, and every day is completely different also. And I want people to walk out of the class feeling like they could run the world, not feeling like they're crap. So that's what I'm all about. And I want every single person in my class to feel like they can do something. It doesn't matter how old they are, how young they are, how much experience they've had, or how flexible they are, how strong they are. Every single person in my class will be doing something. There is not one person sitting there doing nothing. Everyone is included. So that's what you'll expect from my classes, with a little splash of fun. I really love my classes to connect with each other. I think that to be truly healthy, we also need to be happy, we need to be socially connected, and we need to support each other as well. So that's what I'm all about, is creating this positive environment where people can come and feel comfortable, welcomed, supported, and enough. I'd love to connect with you, hopefully in a physical sense in a class, or perhaps online through social media, or YouTube. So please do reach out to me. It would be awesome to share experiences together, to share our knowledge, to share our stories, and really help each other to create a world that is more positive, that is more accepting, inclusive, and where we can really raise the vibe to help everyone feel good about themselves and grow into the best people that they can be. So, chat to you soon. That's me. Namaste.